It was the beginning of a period of international tension just before the conflict erupted in Eastern Europe. A man, one of the leading figures in the Latvian real estate market, suddenly found himself at the center of a dark affair. Russia was demanding his extradition. Behind the legal veneer of the charges, there was actually a disturbing political scenario. The request came from a judicial system considered unreliable, incapable of guaranteeing the fundamental rights of a defendant. It was clear that this was not just a criminal trial, but a case that would carry geopolitical weight. By its very nature, the extradition procedure plays out on two fronts, the judicial and the political. And it was precisely in this gray area that I decided to step in. Courtroom arguments weren't enough, nor were the briefs filed with the court. It was necessary to raise the issue to a higher level, to draw the attention of the institutions. I personally wrote to the Minister of Justice, Marta Cartabia. In that letter, I pointed out the risks, the consequences, the complete incompatibility between the Russian request and the principles of our legal system. It was the beginning of a period of international tension just before the conflict erupted in Eastern Europe. It was then that the minister exercised a rare power, provided for by law but almost never used. She ordered the immediate release of our client, regardless of the opinion of the Attorney General and the decisions of the Court of Appeal. That decision was extraordinary. A man who risked being handed over to an unjust fate was freed, and the news spread throughout the country. ANSA, the newspapers, the front pages all reported a story that showed how, at times, the law can intertwine with politics and together defend freedom. It was one of those moments when justice is not confined to the courtroom but becomes history.